So great to see our good friend Heather Leverage with Conservatory of the Ozarks. And today, we're going to be doing some vocal tract stretches.
Yes.
Okay, first of all, explain. Yeah, what is that?
What is that?
Okay, so the vocal tract, it begins with your larynx and ends with your lips. So it's sort of a candy cane shaped part of your body. It's a tube lined with your mucosal membrane. And so all kinds of things can go wrong with the ligaments and muscles and tissues in your vocal tract that can impede freedom of movement for your larynx, etc. So this is going to be a little, it's going to be a little weird.
I love it because last time you brought in something to do on camera, we were gargling and it was fitting.
So I brought some rubber gloves.
Okay.
Okay, and we're wearing these to...
Yeah.
Am I going to get Maddie's mouth?
No, you don't have to.
Sorry if my breath smells.
So these...
We just need one hand?
Yeah,
Okay.
just one. This, you don't have to wear a glove because you're just putting your hand in your own mouth. But
Okay.
I think I don't like sticking my fingers in my mouth without a glove.
Yeah.
And it kind of slides more easily.
Okay.
So right here is your TMJ, your temporal mandibular joint. Everyone has that. Everyone has TMJ, but some people have TMJ just dysfunction.
I've heard of that.
Like it's locked, right?
Yeah, it's tight. A lot of people do. I do. So we want to try to release from the inside first. So we'll slide our finger back between the inside of the cheek and the outside of the gum. Back, 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 till you'll feel a little pocket back there. Kind of try to slide your finger in that pocket, and then slowly...
Oh, I'm going to gag myself.
Slowly close your teeth, and you'll hold... The other people are like watching us.
Am I right?
And then,
like right here?
Yeah, and then hold.
Okay, holding.
And you can try to like let your finger...
What finger are you using?
I'm using my pinky
Oh,
because
let me try pinky then.
it can slide in more easily. And then just, you can slowly like wiggle and press your finger back.
It hurts. It hurts.
Yeah,
Right?
if your jaw is tight, it will kind of hurt. Like
Ugh.
this.
Oh, I feel it now.
Want me to do it to you?
I'm afraid I might throw up. I'll gag on you. There's something about just like, okay.
Heather, you want to get in my mouth?
Don't be a little baby. It's fine. Yeah, let me
She's
take
like, don't be a little baby about it.
Like I was right behind where my
Listen.
wisdom tooth would go, and I feel like I wasn't in the right area.
So
Maybe I was.
yeah, a lot of times, sorry, I probably am not supposed to turn my back to the TV, but a lot of times I'll do it to people, so you can then feel back, back, back. And then you can tell if you're doing the same thing. Now grip your teeth together. Oh, undo. There we go. Now try again. Grip your teeth together.
Oh gosh, you're way back there.
Oh, wow. Okay.
I was nowhere near this.
Okay, now I want you to try it on me.
Okay.
If I throw up, I throw up.
So this helps your jaw
It's
kind
for
of
the
relax.
audience.
This way again. Yeah, there we go.
Okay.
Wait, let me breathe. Okay. Oh.
And then grip your teeth together. Oh, hold on, I'm not quite far enough back. There we go, now.
It hurts.
And you can kind of try to, yours is real tight. And then you hold it for a while.
So what is that doing now? Is it
Well-
meant to help release it or something, or?
Yeah, it helps release the tightness in the muscles that are controlling the joint from the inside. And then we can do this one from the outside. You have this little divot here on your ear.
Yeah.
So right in front of that, if you open your mouth, you can feel a cave open up there. And so we want to put one finger in that cave. Like
Can you see it on that side? Sorry. Do that side again. Sorry, Heather, so I can see.
Right
okay,
there.
yeah, okay.
tip of the tongue on the roof of the mouth, right behind the upper teeth.
It closed.
Which will help your jaw not hyperextend, and then one finger on your chin. And so you're going to apply gentle pressure with both fingers. One is pulling down on the chin. The weather guy is going to do it too. That's right. This is useful information. And then this finger is pushing in on a hole.
There we go.
We have 1 minute.
Okay, and what does this do?
This is called the goldfish stretch. And so this is stretching the same thing, but from the outside instead of the inside. So it's the same joint. And now I really wanted to show some tongue stretches.
Do
So
it.
Okay,
we
one-
have
do
to
it.
hurry if we only have 1 minute.
Yes.
These are non-woven sterile gauze pads. And we can just use those without a glove.
Okay.
Yeah.
And so non-woven will mean that you won't get the little pieces of fuzz all over.
Yes.
So tongues are so hard to relax. So if you use the gauze, it gives you traction. So we'll grab onto the tongue and pull straight out first and hold. And it's shockingly hard to relax your tongue.
Very hard.
And now you have a frenulum underneath your tongue.
Oh, yeah.
That little strip that connects the tongue. So we want to try to grab, stick the two fingers between, grab, and pull up under the tongue.
And on that note, unfortunately,
I don't know if I can do that. The gauze feels so weird in my mouth.
It is weird.
I believe you. I trust you. I know they work. I just have terrible gag reflex. I apologize.
You did great when
Thank
my
you so
hand was
much.
in your mouth.
Yeah, when your hand is my own.
Yeah.
Anyway, Heather, thank you so much.
You're
We love you.
welcome.
Please come back and we'll continue to do part 2
Yeah.
next time, okay?
There's a playlist on my channel.
All right, perfect. Guys, coming up, we're going to make a summer popcorn salad right after this.
We did once. I know we have to even it out.
I know, like, my other side.